Good morning, everybody, and thank you for joining on another episode of Real Estate Cafe with Waylon Chavez and my new guest, Anita Avila, which we are both from ABQ Premiere Properties, Albuquerque's full-service, independent, local real estate company. So welcome, Anita. How are you today?
Good morning. Thank you. I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing good. I'm very excited about today
Good.
because you're joining us. We get to talk about you. We get to share your expertise and roll you out in a new industry. So what I want to tell people is you may be new to real estate, but you're not new to the business world. You're not new to the community, and you're definitely not new to customer service.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Born and raised in Albuquerque, New Mexico, for that matter, but I've actually had a profession background with banking for about 19 years with a local bank here, Bank of Albuquerque. And from that, I had the opportunity to be my own boss and my own business owner. So I was able to purchase a franchise and have an insurance agency. So I was with Allstate. And so that combined in years, I've been in the community greater than 26, 27 years. And I wouldn't change it for anything. I absolutely love Albuquerque, New Mexico. I love the people. So just to continue in the real estate industry is just, it's a milestone that I can seriously call my retirement. So I'll be doing this until it calls quits, not me. So.
So you kind of found your true calling then, per se.
I did, yeah. I love people. I love to help people. So with the background that I already have, I feel that this will all come together. And I'm just super excited to be able to help, individuals get into their homes and just continue that with the community itself.
And before we move on and get into some more deep conversation, tell us a little bit about a background about you, about your family, your kids, your husband, and the ties to the community that you do have.
Yeah, absolutely. So I have a wonderful husband, 26 years. We have two beautiful baby girls, and I say babies because they'll always be my babies, but they're 26 and 21. Both are nurses. So as you can imagine, with the pandemic and everything going on, our time has been limited, but we definitely squeeze them up as much as we can.
Of course.
And with that said, yeah, so with a household of girls, my little guy, he's usually around here, but he's not. We have Sharpays. So we have a girl and a boy, and he's a mama's boy. I just love him to death. But yeah, so again, just establish, as far as anything that I've ever done, business-wise or professional-wise, I've had just an incredible family to stand beside me. So they've been out in any event I may be at, or they are voluntold, not really volunteer, but they are out with me. And I'm excited to get them into the industry too. Just to kind of know, I like to kind of cross-train just in general. So I like to kind of give that knowledge to even my family so they can be my marketing team, as you will.
Well, and the thing that goes with that too is, like you said, if you don't have the family support, you're not really fully invested. But so it's great to have that great family support, which both of us do have, and we're very fortunate to have that. But also going back to, you said, you started at Bank of Albuquerque, you had your insurance agency, and so many people look at the end result and where you are now. They didn't see your last 20 years prepping for where you are now. And one of the best things is both with Bank of Albuquerque and well, we'll start with that as customer service, learning how to be out in the community, but then taking it to the next step with insurance. They don't know how much insurance and real estate actually have in common. So you actually have that knowledge of that back end, and not only just with insurance policies, but life insurance as well, to help people invest into real estate, because a lot of people don't know you can use your life insurance or your 401k to borrow against to buy into real estate. And that's where we come in as the resource for people. So if you want to expand on that a little bit, feel free.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, just going back to the banking industry itself, I was in the lending. So it kind of just all ties together. From the lending piece of it, we're just not realtors. And I think that's what I'm going to enjoy so much about the industry is, Yeah, we go out and we help individuals, couples, young couples, older couples, whoever it may be, purchase their dream home. But in the midst of it, I like to be the educator and the one that's going to kind of walk them from A to Z. And so just having that background, as you mentioned, banking, lending, just even budgeting for that matter. We want to make sure that we're putting our clients into homes that they're not working for their home. They're working for a happy life, and they're still enjoying the luxuries of what life can give them outside of the home. So just kind of having that industry behind me, with the insurance, obviously, insurance ties well into the home buying process. So yeah, you're right. You can utilize so many of those those things that we kind of set aside, we purchased a long time ago, and we kind of put it aside for that retirement mode, or that one moment where maybe we have an emergency and we need to pull that. There are some great investment tools that you can do with your 401ks, your IRAs. I mean, there's great things that you can do to maybe even purchase not that first time home, but maybe an investment home. So I think with the knowledge that you and I have with everything that we've done prior to the real estate world, I am super excited to not just be able to help someone get into a home and that's it. I like to help educate from the get-go. I have lenders, I have connections, I have resources. Yes, they have the choice, but to have that as an option, I think that's super important for our clientele.
It definitely is, and it goes right into the reason. Again, you're listening to Real Estate Cafe from ABQ Premiere Properties. I'm your host, Waylon Chavez. I'm talking with Anita Avila today, who's new into the industry and new to ABQ Premiere Properties. So we're so excited to have her. But ABQ Premiere Properties, and the reason I started this podcast was for that reason, because so many people look into the real estate industry and say, oh, they just need me to help buy or sell my house. It's very transactional. And here at this company, we're a local, independent, locally owned company, and we are not like that. We want to be the resource. We're your community ambassadors. We're the people that you look to for education, because when people think of realtors, they think of buying or selling, but there's so much more to it, such as investing. We want to help you invest and build the biggest portfolio you can. That being said, I read an article this morning, and home equity just over the last year has skyrocketed, and it's an average. Homeowners have earned an average of $26,300 over the last year, and in New Mexico, it's on average about $21,000. But that's different for each community, and the benefit of us is you can see Anita's information going across the bottom of the screen there. If you want to know what your house is worth and how much equity you've gained in the last year, feel free to reach out to her directly. She can definitely help you with that. And also, people don't know about their equity. We can even pull that out, help them buy an investment property, and get that going, because over the long term, real estate will be the best investment that they make. Over the long term, those are the key words. So many people nowadays look for instant results, but over the long term, real estate is the number one best investment.
Correct. Absolutely. Yeah, great information.
So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over just our little market update that I give every week, and then we can close, and then we'll be out and out for the day. But so what I'll do is I'll start with Albuquerque. Now what I do is I go over the last week. So between last Friday and today, there's currently 389 active homes. There's between the same time frame, 235 went pending, which means they received a contract on them, and 179 homes closed within the last week, with an average sales price of $276,659 and an average days on market, which is 15 days, which is pretty amazing. 15 days on the market, our average sales price is 276. That's in Albuquerque Metro. So that's pretty amazing. Now, if you move over to Rio Rancho, there's active right now, there's 94. Pending from last Friday to this Friday was 61. Closed, there was 62 closed homes with an average sales price of $273,724, and average days on market was 23. So you can see the market is still going. The pandemic actually helped the market. The economy has been great, and hopefully it stays that way. With the higher gas prices and stuff, it looks like things are starting to change, but we don't know. We can't predict that. And I talked to Luke Gutierrez this morning, our lender, and he said, one of our lending partners, he said that rates are still in the low threes, but they're still rising. So it's kind of funny when you say rates are rising and they're in the threes. So if you want to get, you better hurry, because kind of crazy. So I don't know what your interest rate on your house is, but when we bought ours, I was happy at 5%, and
Absolutely.
now we're saying 3 is high. So it's pretty crazy to me.
Right. Right.
So Anita,
Absolutely.
before we close, just give us some closing. Where can people reach you? How can they get in touch with you? And then we'll close out for the day.
Yeah, absolutely. First of all, thank you again, Waylon, for the opportunity. I'm super excited to join your team. It's going to be a spectacular combination once I get up and running, because you have some phenomenal agents already with you, and you yourself are just a wealth of knowledge. So again, thank you for
Thank
the
you.
opportunity.
Of course. Thank
And
you.
yeah, I am ready. So you can contact me. I know Waylon has my numbers streaming across the bottom. It's 505-362-0461. One thing that I do want to stress is, take that snap, jot it down. I'm available anytime. Our job is not the 9 to 5. So anytime that you have a question, or you think that you're going to be purchasing a home in the near 6 to 8 months, because you might think that you're not ready, chances are you're a lot more ready than you think. So let's at least get together, have those conversations. And yeah, if your long-term goal, and I say long-term, maybe 6 to 8 months down the road, is to purchase, let's at least get a plan in order. You may be surprised, and we may be shopping for your dream home a lot sooner than you think. So again, 505-362-0461. I am in the process of setting up a office. I am not a remote person. I like to get up and again be out and about. So once that is situated, I'll be able to add a address where maybe you want to stop by the office and have that one-on-one conversation. I love to do that as well. So with that said, happy Friday. Thank you all for joining, and I look forward to eventually speaking or meeting anyone who's on board. So thank you.
Perfect. Well, thank you, Anita, and we'll
Yeah.
we'll look forward to seeing you this afternoon sometime.
Yeah, you got it. Have a great day.
Okay, you too.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for joining in. Again, this is Real Estate Cafe with Waylon Chavez and ABQ Premiere Properties, Albuquerque's premier full-service real estate company. We're here to serve you. We're here to educate, be your resource. We're locally owned and operated, so when you use us, the money we make goes right back into our local economy. So we really appreciate it. Thank you for joining in. And remember, you can go to realestatecafepodcast.com and you can subscribe to the podcast. You can leave us a review. And we're your weekly dose of real estate information, where we give you a market update. We're your weekly dose of real estate education and information. So thank you so much for joining. Have a great weekend, and we will talk to you all soon.